Hello, sir. This is the same water bike we take, same as yours. Please check. This is one fold, and this is the plastic water bike frame. This is the air pump. Firstly, we inflated the air. Like this one. You can see this number we can 7 psi. Okay. Second step. This PVC a cushion like this one. This is for decoration only. Don't tear this. 2 bars. Put the board like this way on the chairs. So put the bars inside the frame. Take out this one. Take this, put it inside. Same way. Okay, next step. This one we posted to you. Please take this longer. Like this one, because this hook is so long, so we can install with the air. Screw and the cap. Okay, like this one. Each is like this one. Okay, next step, let's install the pedal. Please check, this is L. This one. Take the bolt L. Like this way. L turn left to tighten. You can check the D-rings bolt connect like this one. And let's start the pedal to see the propeller. 在这个方向你看 It works fine. I mean, if propeller touch this board, you can put the frame front. You can see front. The belt like this way. I mean, if propeller touch the board, you can put the frame in front. So the next step, we will install the fan for the direction. First for the base, this way for the up. Screw for the down. These two. And this one to screw. Okay. Okay, put like this way. The final step, let's install the direction bar. You can see this one for the front, to the front. Okay. The final step. Let's see this. Let's kind of try the direction. Direction is fine. So this will be finished.